Today, I'll show you how to scan and add an in-store receipt to your Walmart app so it appears in your purchase history. When your receipts are linked, you can view past purchases, start returns, or add protection plans, all in one place. If you pay in-store with a card saved to your Walmart.com account, your purchases are linked automatically. No scanning needed. You'll get an email the first time this happens. To manually link a purchase, open your Walmart app. In the search bar, tap the barcode icon, then scan the barcode at the bottom of your paper receipt. That's it. The purchase will appear in your history if the name on your payment card matches your Walmart.com account. If you've lost your paper receipt, use Walmart's online receipt lookup tool. Enter your store location, purchase date, total amount, and last 4 digits of your card. Then confirm the CAPTCHA and select Lookup Receipt to download it. If you don't want purchases from a specific card to appear, remove that card from your Walmart.com account. New purchases won't be linked, but past ones will remain. For online, pickup, or delivery orders, open your purchase history, select the order, and scroll down. The barcode at the bottom is your proof of purchase. You can also print it directly from the View Details page. And that's how you scan and add a receipt on the Walmart app. Keep your purchase history up to date, and you'll always have your proof of purchase ready.